Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is April the 5th and I'm using my Magic Scalper trading system. This system has the Heikin-Ashi candles, works great as it can easily show the direction of the trend. And it also has the arrows here. They're called the super signal arrows. You'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box alert, as you see right here, suggesting to buy or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, I'm right where this vertical line is. That's New York time. I'm in front of the computer looking at lots of different instruments along not only Forex but also futures, the indexes, and of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Now once I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. It calculates all the higher time frames from the 30 minutes all the way up to the monthly. Once it does all the calculations, within the comments here, it'll either say look for bullish trades, look for bearish trades, and sometimes it's a little bit flat or there's not enough strength. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are failing. Now if you have any questions about this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. So now we can check out these trades, and just to let you know, in case you didn't know, today was high impact news. It was first Friday of each month is non-farm payroll, and the market will move, both the Forex and the futures. And I put all the trades in just before the 8:30 when the news was coming out, 8:20, 22, 24. So my system, along with the daily trade plan, was telling me if it was going to go up or down the market. That's why I love trading using my Magic Scalper. So on this pound Aussie, let's see where I got in at. So we just drag and drop this up. Here we go. Got the arrow. That's why I took the trade. There was the candle for the news. No big surprise, it's going to spike up and down, and then it would just carry on in the direction that I knew it was going to go. So I took the trade at this cursor, and I closed it out here just being happy, looks like, with about 17 pips, and that paid out $118. So let's move on to the next trade, which is the EURCAD. This one I also wanted to be buying. Chart setup and the way it looks, it obviously looks a little bit better than the pound Aussie. But let's see where we got in at. Wanted to be buying it from the daily trade plan, this arrow and the super signal. Then the non-farm payroll came in right here after it spiked around a bit, and then it just kept going in the direction that I knew it was going to go. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out, looks like with 34 pips, and that paid out $256. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Another good looking chart. Knew is going to go up. Lots of things telling me, top and bottom, saying it's going to go up. Took the trade just before the news. A lot of traders would have got spooked here, but when you know how to read the charts and you have all the proper tools, such as the daily trade plan and the indicators on the top and the bottom, well, easy to makes trading a lot more easy. So I took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out right around this ADR. I was happy with 36 pips, and those pips paid out $264. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Here we go. Now I dropped it down to the 5 minutes and really looks messy. Let's see what this was, the 830, and look at the way it spiked there. But anyhow, let's see where I got in, which is just before it, so it should be right around here. Spiked down. Now the DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick, so I took the money and divided by 3.75. Calculator says it should be approximately 250. So it went up and down, but finally I was hoping it was going to break this bottom over here. But after a while I just decided to close it out and lock in some ticks. What did I say? It's about 250. I did have it there for a second. Half a second actually. Well, there it is right there. 250 ticks paying out $937. Remember, the futures and the indexes, they'll move a lot more and pay a lot more. So starting out on the Forex, as it doesn't move as much, and then once you master trading, you can easily include the futures and the indexes. So moving on to the last trade, which is gold. Gold pays $10 for each tick. So looking at this, it should be 152.9. So we'll probably go with the 153. So let's drag and drop this up and see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying after a pullback. This was obviously a bigger pullback right in here. But let's see if we can find that 153. From there to there should be 153. There it is right there. 153 approximately. And that ended up paying out $1,529. I do have an extra minute here since that was the last trade. Want to show you a neat tool that'll help not only beginners, but it'll also help you traders who've been doing this for a few years. I call it the Fib Master tool. All you got to do is click on it, this little tab right here. You're going to go from the lowest point, which is back here. Then you're going to go to the highest point, which is right here. And then there's your pullback. Came back to almost number 3. So getting in around 2 and 1 would be great, or even the goal line. But let's say we got in around 1. And of course, and all the way up to there is 4. Let's see, that's 400 ticks. And of course, now you know why I love this fib tool. It forces you to wait for the pullback, which is what you really have to. Well, if you don't wait for the pullback, and how many times have you taken the trade and it's gone against you? Like right here, it went against me. And I knew that because my daily trade plan said to buy. I knew everything was good for going up. There's way too many things here telling me it's going to go up. So just wait for some kind of a pullback. And then if it hits entry 1, 2, or 3, it'll usually hit 2, 3, 4, or 5. And on many days, it'll go further. It did hit target 6. And it does go all the way up to target 10. Love this Fibonacci tool. It's 100 times better than the one in the comes standard default within the MT4 platform. And remember, I'm still getting traders asking me if this works on MT5. Everything I have works on MT4, not the MT5 or any other platforms. It's easy for you. All you got to do is open up a demo account on MT4, install everything, and wherever you have your money, it could be MT5, it could be Think or Swim, multi-charts, Ninja Trader. So after you get the signal to buy or sell, just go on your platform and put in the order. So, but I prefer to use the MT4 and trade right off the MT4 as the MT4 platform, and I'm sure the MT5 is basically the same but I've never used the MT5, but looking at it can easily tell it's the same kind of concept with a few other benefits, which I really do not need. So it's easy to run it on a demo and then put your trade in wherever your money is. So remember, this is the FibMaster tool. It's the full course. Comes complete with 30 training videos with a lot of trading examples. So another great day of trading. Great way to end off the week. I could, in theory, only trade one day a week and take, instead of my goal many years ago, roughly 19 years, was I wanted to be, instead of the normal job, work 5 days, 2 days off, I wanted to work 2 days a week and have a 5-day long weekend every weekend. And in theory, I can work 1 day and have a 6-day extended weekend. The only reason I keep trading is because I'm running the YouTube channel and I'm trying to help hundreds and hundreds of traders find success. So I knew just by looking at the money, and because of this DAX 30, I knew I was going to be way over the 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total for today was 490, and all of those 490 pips and ticks ended up paying out $3,105. Now, if your trading is not producing great results like my Magic Scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions, quite simple, just get in contact with me, and all you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see a banner, the word more, just click on that. Another box will open up with a lot of information along with my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. How many traders can you do that with? In 19 years, I was actually only able to find one person to do that. It is very difficult to find somebody, a trader that you can actually pick up the phone and call. So anyhow, you will be needing a lot of education, which I can provide you with a lot of education. And of course, you will need support. Without support, there's a 95% chance you will still fail at trading. So keep that in mind. You will be needing support. Now you can also just send me an email. And of course, if I get your name and your email address, I can put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, of course, I really do prefer Skype. I made it easy for you, even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, if you click on the link below, we will have a Skype connection, and through Skype and Skype screen sharing, I will be able to answer all your questions. So, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. Have a great weekend, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.